Hello, hello! Welcome to the Luana English Podcast. I'm Luana, your host, and I am so excited to be here with you today to help you speak better English.
And I'm Josimar. Happy to be here as always. How are you doing today, Luana?
I'm great, Josimar. Actually, that's exactly what we are talking about today.
Oh? Are we talking about feeling great?
Almost. We are talking about the question, how are you? Most students learn one answer, I'm fine, thank you. And you? But in real life, native speakers don't say that very often. It sounds a bit like a robot, right?
Yes, exactly. If you want to sound more natural and friendly, you need more options. Today, we have 7 natural ways to answer that question.
Okay, Josimar, let's role play. I'll walk into the room and ask you how you are. Let's try our first natural phrase. I'm doing well.
Great. Let's go.
Hey, Josimar. Good to see you. How are you?
Hi, Luana. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Did you hear that? I'm doing well. It's polite and very common. Now, Josimar, what if I'm just okay? Not amazing, but not bad.
Then you can use phrase number 2, not bad. This is very popular in the UK and the US. Let's try.
Josimar, how are you?
Not bad, Luana. Just a bit busy. How are things with you?
I like that one. It's very relaxed. Now, what about when we are very, very happy? Maybe we just had a coffee or got a promotion.
Then you say, couldn't be better. This means your life is 100% good right now.
I love that. I couldn't be better. It sounds so positive. But Josimar, let's be honest. Sometimes we are tired. Maybe we worked too much.
Oh, I know that feeling. For those days, you can say, I've been better. It's a polite way to say things are so-so or a little difficult.
That's phrase number 4. Now, what about a very common one in the US? I hear people say, I'm good all the time.
Yes, even though teachers sometimes say I'm well is the correct grammar, almost everyone says I'm good. It's the most common casual answer.
Let's practice 2 more. What if nothing has changed? Everything is the same as yesterday?
You say, same old, same old. It's a funny idiom. It means my life is a routine.
I say that on Mondays. And finally, a very short one.
Just pretty good. It's simple, friendly, and works in every situation.
That was a great list, Josimar. But I have a question. In English, when someone says, how are you, do they really want to know my whole life story?
That's a great deep dive point, Luana. The answer is usually no.
Exactly. In English culture, how are you is often just a greeting. It's like saying hello.
Right. You don't need to talk for 10 minutes about your headache or your car problems. You give a short, positive answer, and then you ask, and you, or how about you?
That is a very important cultural nuance. Keep it short. Now, what about the grammar of I'm doing well versus I'm good?
Good question. Well is an adverb, and good is an adjective. Technically, we use well to describe the action of doing. But in modern English, people use both. If you're in a job interview, say, I'm doing well. If you're at a cafe with friends, say, I'm good.
Before we go, let's look at 5 important words or phrases we used today. 1. Natural, something that feels normal and not forced. Example, your English sounds very natural today. 2. Couldn't be better, feeling 100% happy. Example, I just finished my exams, so I couldn't be better. 3. Same old, same old. Nothing is new. Life is a routine. Example, how is work? Oh, you know, same old, same old. 4. Pretty good. A bit more than good, it's a very common way to sound enthusiastic. Example, the weather today is pretty good. And 5. Nuance. A small, important difference in meaning. Example, Understanding the nuance between fine and well helps you sound like a native. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to the Luana English Podcast.
Remember, your challenge for today is to stop saying I'm fine. Try one of our 7 new phrases when someone greets you.
Practice these words today. Tell a friend or even say them to yourself in the mirror. You're doing a great job learning English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.